Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake a soft fluffy strawberry cake on a jiko. Yes, no oven needed. Let's get started. For the recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of flour already measured, 3 eggs, a half cup of cooking oil I'll measure, a half teaspoon of instant yeast. I have a teaspoon of strawberry essence. I have 1 cup of sugar, and I also have a half cup of milk. In my bowl here, I'm going to crack 3 eggs. Let's crack. Then after cracking, I'm going to add sugar, and since I don't have a whisk, I'm going to use my cooking stick to act as my whisk of the day. My 1 cup of sugar, I'm going to whisk my sugar and 3 eggs until they are lighter and fluffy. Therefore, let's whisk until we get the result. As you can see, we are almost to the result of getting the end product of egg and sugar. Everything is mixed well, and you can see the way it is light. Therefore, next I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to add a half cup of oil. For my cake, I don't need margarine, no margarine for my cake. I'm using just a half cup of cooking oil. Then I'm going to mix it well. Then later I'll add my strawberry essence. Oil and sugar plus egg, everything is really combined. Therefore, I'm going to add my strawberry essence. I need 1 spoonful of strawberry essence, as you can see. I'm going to mix everything until it's combined. I can already smell it is so sweet. Therefore, in my another bowl, I'm going to mix flour and baking powder. And if you are using yeast like me, I'm going to add yeast into the milk, warm milk, for it to dissolve. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix. After adding, I'm going to take my milk and yeast. I need a half teaspoon of yeast. This is my yeast. I'm going to combine it here and stir everything well. Remember, this is warm milk and we need a half cup of milk. I'm going to add my milk combined with yeast inside the ingredients, together with the ingredients in my basin. As you can see, I'm gonna mix everything well to combine. Thereafter, now I'm going to combine my dry ingredients, which is flour and baking powder. After combining my flour and the wet ingredients, I'm going to mix everything until it gets smooth and it turns into a thick batter. Let's mix everything. It's really smelling sweet. What? I'm going to grease my sufuria, as you can see. After greasing, I'm going to dust it. Let us grease. And after greasing, I'm gonna dust. The reason I'm dusting is to avoid the sticking of my cake when it's baking. I've greased, therefore I'm going to dust. This is the end result of greasing and dusting my sufuria. My sufuria is ready now. Therefore, I'm going to pour my butter and spread it evenly. Let's pour. The color is really amazing and it's smelling sweet. Let's levelize our butter. Then I'm gonna do this way to do away with air. Our butter is ready to be baked. As you can see, my jiko is ready with medium hot charcoal. Therefore, I'm going to place my sufuria and my sufuria is hot. It's going to act as our oven here, and I'm going to place another sufuria with butter inside. After placing it, I'm going to take my another cover, another lid with hot charcoal, and this is my lid with hot charcoal. I'm going to cover so it's bake. I put I put the hot charcoal on top so as it can bake both sides. Therefore, let's give our cake 35 to 50 minutes for it to bake. After 30 minutes, I will check out if my cake has baked, and to know if my cake is baked, I'll use a clean knife, a clean dry knife, to check if the cake is ready. Let's wait for 30 minutes and check our cake. 30 minutes, let's check out if our cake is ready. Our knife has turned out to be clean. That means our cake is ready. And look at my people, my golden fluffy strawberry flavored cake is ready. I just baked my cake right here on my jiko, and this is the result. Look at how fluffy it is. Look, it's really sweet. My flavored strawberry cake, it's so sweet and it has turned out to be fluffy. I used a touch of milk to add extra moist to our cake. Guys, if you love this recipe, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing jiko and kitchen recipe. Try it at home and tell me in the comments how it turned out. See you in my next video.